Okay, so this is a little bit of a tricky one. We've got this relationship here, and we're given the HNs of, that's a 0 start one for the H, and then we got this 1 here. But we haven't been given the Q. We got the R, we got the 2 H's, and we've got to, first step, actually work out what the Q is. So we know that what we've got is, let's draw it over here, H n plus 1 equals RH n plus Q. So we know that H1 equals RH0 plus Q. Now we've got H0, this is H0, this is H1. So we've got H0 and H1, and we got R, so we can work out Q. So if we know H1 is 2100, 1900, and 2000, and that's going to equal whatever, I'm going to rewrite R, so R times H0, which is 2000, 1000, and 3000, plus Q. So you need to hit your calculator a bit, and so I put in the R and put that across here, and I called it X. I can't be bothered calling it H0, which is 2000, 1000, 3000. Put that in there, and then I did R times X, and I got this. So what you end up with saying, I've got to try and squeeze all this in, is that 2100 and 1900 and 2000 equals, so the R times the 2000, 1000 thingies ends up being 1800, 1600, and 2600 plus Q. Now, Q must be the same order for this whole thing to work. So if you think 2100 equals 1800 plus 300, yes? 1900 equals 1600 plus 300, and 2000 equals 2600. We're going to do minus 600. And so now we know what Q is. So Q is this, and that really helps us out. So now we got Q, we can find out for 2020, all right, which is H2. So H2 equals RH1 plus Q. And so if you, let's just delete these highlightings, and we hit the calculator. So here's my R that I already entered here, and here's my 2100, 1900, and 2000, because that's H1, right, over here. And this is my Q, and I put that all into the calculator, and it just spits out all my lovely little numbers for me. Isn't that nice of the calculator? So that's 2160, 2430, and 1410. And that's the answer that we were looking for.